All right, here's the operation we got going on here now. I need to get all this cleaned up. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. There's going to be a lot of moving around and organizing, that's for darn sure. So, let's get started. I will forewarn you and say, like, the rest of this episode is going to be this. Should be. So, let's do it. Maybe I could put you on fast forward. Would that be better, maybe? That way we don't have to kill a whole video on just this. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. At least for a little bit. Yeah. This has already made quite a large difference. Now I have a place to park some stuff at least. I mean, for right now, there's still a lot to do. This trailer needs to go to the dump. Got a half a mind to take it down there and just unhook the trailer and leave the whole thing there. That's what I should do, at least. Alright, let's see what we got. See what we got going with this situation. Stuff here that I don't use a lot. I like to keep this stuff out of the weather. And also keep it accessible and handy. It's pretty good. Spot for a few things. Now I gotta move all my little work table here. I gotta find a new one because I need to move these bricks for the bamboo planter, because I got bamboo growing and I don't want it rooting into the ground. It's going to be in a pot, and the pot's going to sit on there. Oh, I got more over there. Cool. I'll just put these ones with those ones then. That way they're all together at least. Is actually a side chute to what's going on mower, but you keep this in the trailer. Bucket is not going to come in one piece, is it? Nope. Sure ain't. That's how we do that. Throw this piece out and that thing clear on that. Alright, I like progress. What I need to facilitate here is I need to be able to back the trailer in without having too much trouble. Just get it in and be done with it. And then I need to be able to maneuver around it, which I can do if all this garbage wasn't here. So that's the operation we're running right now. That's what we're trying to get settled. Yeah, that's what we're doing. You saw me moving some stuff from here to over there that needs to go in the shop. But look at this. Let's go for a walk. Yeah, nothing is going in here. In fact, I need to pull stuff out to make room to put stuff in. So, I'm going to catch you guys. What am I going to do? Right here for now. And we'll be doing that. Hey guys, so I just want to throw this little interjection in here. Since I wasn't able to really show you the other day, I'm going to show you now. I got my towel so I can, well, you'll see. All right, ready? Here we go. Got the jumper hooked up. Jumper. Here we go. Check it out. Turn the fuel on. There should be plenty of fuel in there though. Try again. Here we go. Is that not cool or what? smoking. It's burning that oil out of the exhaust. I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking the rings are just fried on it. Yeah, I don't know. Still got a lot of work to do, but like I've explained before, right now we're just working the kinks out of it. We're just making sure that it's actually worth doing anything with. And I'm happy to say I think it is. Alright. I'm going to have to find a place to park it outside of here though, because I need to use the shop. Yeah, I need to use the shop for other things. Anyway, we'll get back to what we were doing. We got everything pretty cleaned up out here. It's looking pretty good, right? Still got a pile on the garbage trailer, but that's what it's for now at least. Yeah, we're good for now. I think we're gonna call this video good. Thanks a million for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you cock-a-doodle-doo. Hey, that rhymed.